chasing the easy life. We're chasing the easy life. We're chasing the easy life. We're chasing the sun tonight. We're chasing the easy life. Easy life.
Hey family and frenzies, welcome back to our channel. I am back today guys with an unboxing video for you. I actually won a giveaway. So this is very exciting. I love surprises. I just got my package yesterday and this package came from Stephanie of Life of Steph Vlogs. Please check her out. Yeah, I'm going to open my package with you guys and show you all of my goodies. I am so excited. I'm here with Noonie today, guys. Say hey. So yes, we're going to open this box and see what we got. I know it's some good stuff. I know it's some good stuff. So let me open this here box, see what we got. Guys, oh, she wrote a note. Brenda, thanks so much for being a subscriber to my channel. Congratulations again. LOSV Steph, thank you so much, Steph. It is all a pleasure. And thank you for all of that good detailed information you have given me over the past year, I should say. You have been very helpful, you know, with explaining how your move went from Ohio to Florida. And I absolutely cannot wait. You already know. Okay. All right, guys. So let's see what we have in here. Oh, look how cute that is. Oh, wow. Look. Oh, good vibes only. Look at this, guys. This is so cute. I love this. Yes, Steph. This is really nice. I love this cup. I can definitely use that. I can see myself now drinking my ice water out of that pretty cup. Okay, what else we have in here? We got a lot of goodies in here. Dove Nourishing Body Care Beauty Cream. Love it. Love it. Nice, right? See, guys? Really nice. Yeah, I'll put this over here. I'll put this over here, guys. All right. Next, we have fresh linen. Oh, this is a nice candle. Oh, that smells good. That smells good, guys. This is a fresh linen candle, guys. This smells so good. Nice and clean and fresh. I love it. Very nice. And I love the colors too. Pink and lavender and all that good stuff. Nice. An exfoliating round body scrubber. Look at this, guys. Steph, you did very well with this. This is nice. A nice spot package. Next, oh, I got a fashion face mask. Nice. Look, guys, a nice fashion face mask. So cute. All right. I feel like Christmas all over again, guys. Nice. I got a bath and shower stretch cloth. Okay. I love the pinks. Very nice. Next we have always popping. All right. Okay. Pens. I love pens. I remember, Steph, you said in one of your videos that you love ink pens. I do as well. I love them. I collect pens as well, especially for work. Love it. This is very nice. Okay. Oh, here you go, guys. I'm showing Nana. There's the ink pen. So cute. Okay, I love this. You know, Steph, I was actually looking for one of these. Thank you so much. Look at that. It's a journal. That's so nice. 100 Days of Believing Bigger. Love it. Love it. Oh, this is awesome. Okay, guys. Yes, this journal is so nice. The 100 Days of Believing Bigger. So let me just open it up, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what it looks like on the inside. Oh, this is so nice. Have daily biblical verses on each page. This is really nice. I love it. See? This is awesome. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Beautiful. Next. Okay, a wireless speaker. This is really nice stuff. You did well with this. Very well. Look at that wireless speaker. Love it. Love it. Okay. All right. Exfoliating sugar scrubs. I love sugar scrubs. Yeah, this is nice. I love sugar scrubs. Okay. This is a really good gift. You did so well with this. So well. Okay. Simply Blessed. Yes. This is nice. Oh, look at that. So cute. So cute. I love that. I'm going to put that right on my desk because we all are simply blessed. We all are simply blessed. Okay, got that alarm clock going. Look at that. Yes, indeed. Yes, I could definitely use one of these too. Very nice. Very nice. I love it. Next, what we have. Okay. We got that Woody Sage by Dolce. I love perfume. I absolutely love it. So we gotta open this up and see what it smells like. Okay, here we go. I love this. This is, oh, I love that. It has like a very relaxing scent, like a calming scent. This is nice. Very nice. The top notes of this perfume is fig tree, grapefruit. Middle notes are marin notes, ambrette. Base notes is clary sage and amberwood. Love it. This is inspired by Jo Malone, wood sage, and sea salt cologne. This is gorgeous. I love this. I love this. I'm going to wear this to work on Monday. Well, actually, I don't even know if I'm going to be in the building on Monday, but I don't care. Even if I'm in the house, I'm putting this on. This is gorgeous. I love this. Oh, thank you so much. Okay. All right. Got some charging cables going on. There we go. We could always use this. Always. And next, you got this. Oh, thank you. I know I got this. This is nice. Yes. Oh, look. Today is a new day. Do well. Wonderful. This. Fabulous thoughts. Love it. Look, guys. You got some stickers there. And then we have like different pages where you can just write down your goals, your thoughts. You can write down your visions here in this journal. This is awesome. This package was indeed beyond what I was expecting. Which I didn't know, of course, what Steph had in the box. You know, I saw a few things, but I didn't know everything, but this is awesome, and I'm so happy. I'm so happy, and I like the fact that she actually took time to put a lot of inspirational messages in her package. That helps a lot, you know, and it really puts a smile on my face just knowing that, you know, you have other people who are rooting for you and who got your back. So that is just amazing. I love everything in this package. Thank you so much. I can't thank you enough. This is awesome. This is awesome. I love it. All right, guys, and again, please log on to Life of Steph Vlogs. Check out her channel. She have a lot of amazing videos out there. She's showing her journey from the movement from Ohio to Florida, purchasing her home, and she answered many questions about moving to Florida, living in Florida, what to expect, things like that. So definitely check her out. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for taking some time to look at all of my new goodies. I just love it. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.